Hi, my name is Paris Alexandra, co-founder of BK Yoga Club. Today we are going to be doing some chair yoga, and you can do this within the comfort of your own home or at the office. So I'm going to invite you now to all come to our comfortable seats. We're going to kind of slightly come off the edge of our chair and place your feet down and really root yourself into the earth. And then we gently bring your shoulders up and back. Just warming ourselves up. And then come back to center, bring the right shoulder up and back. And the left up and back. And if you're feeling fun, just come a little forward. There we go, and up and back. There we go, bring it to the side. Inhale, reach the arms up and over. Now lengthening through the fingertips, soften the shoulders. And exhale, release it down. Let's do it again. Inhale, reach and up. Soften the shoulders here. And exhale, this time fold forward. Allow the head to hang. I'm gonna come back a little bit. Allow the head to hang, come forward, and gently sway from side to side. And you're invited to do any other modifications that you'd like to do throughout the practice today. What's great about this is you literally can do this. You can take a quick 10-15 minute break and just do some really cool chair stretches. And we'll come back to center. Place the left hand down towards the left foot, reach the right arm up. Breathe. Exhale, come back down. Place the right hand down and reach the other arm up. And exhale, release it down. Allow your head to hang and slowly roll it up. Vertebra by vertebra. Go ahead and do the hair flip if you have fabulous hair like me. There we go. Inhale, reach the arms up and back. Inhale, reach the arms up. This time, interlock the hands, soften the shoulders, activate the core. Exhale, side stretch to the left. Breathe. Inhale, come back to center, side stretch to the right. Inhale, come back to center, release the grip, and cactus arms. We're gonna open up the heart space. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, open the heart space. One more time, inhale, reach it up. Exhale, cactus the arms. This time, bring the arms towards each other. Curve the spine. Inhale, opening up. So this is our modified cat and cow. Let's do this a few times on your own breath. Inhale, curve the spine, curve it in. Exhale, open. Inhale, curve it in. Maybe drop your head. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, open up the heart space, cactus the arms, slight back bend, reach the arms up and over. We're gonna do a vertical twist to the right. Breathe here. Inhale, lengthen. And exhale, vertical twist to the left, so opposite side. Inhale. Exhale, vertical twist. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, vertical twist. Inhale, come back to center. We're gonna do a vertical twist to the right. This time, place the back hand down over the chair. Place the left hand over the right knee. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist. looking over in the direction of your right shoulder. Keep that spine lengthened. And this twist is coming from the inside out. So we're not using the chair to like push ourselves. We're twisting. It's coming from the inside out. Again, inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, vertical twist to the left. Place the back hand down. Bring the right hand over the left knee. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, reach the arms up and over. Exhale, bring your arms to your side. Just give yourself a little shake. Maybe adjust your chair if you need to. And then you're going to take your right leg, bring it over the left, lean forward, and go ahead and release the head down. You can release your hands down if you'd like. And maybe circling your feet, your ankles. Maybe give yourself some love, a nice little massage. Just honoring the tenderness in our bodies and maybe the need to take it easy sometimes. Breathe here. And then inhale, lift your chest. You're going to twist towards the right. Bring the left hand over the right knee. Reach that arm up. And then cross it over, doing a slight twist here. Breathe here. Inhale, wrapping it around. And then exhale, come back to center. We'll do the same on the opposite side. Bring the left leg over. Lean forward in the chest and release it down. Go ahead and circle your feet, your ankle. Give yourself a nice massage for a second. And slowly lift the chest. Reach the right arm over the left. And feel free to do any like adjustments. I'm wrapping my arm around. And exhale, come back to center, plant the foot. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, slowly rolling it up. This time, I'm gonna widen my legs. Go ahead and widen. And then I'm gonna send my right shoulder forward and bring it back. Left shoulder forward and bring it back. Do that a couple times on your own breath. And one more time on each side. Inhale. And exhale, come back to center. From here, you're gonna send your left leg over to the side, point it towards to the left. So your toes are coming out onto the left side, point it towards your wall. Pivot the back foot, keep it flat, shoulders up and back. Exhale, open up into our warrior two. Lengthening through the fingertips. Activate that core. Breathe. Flip that palm. Reach up and over. Reverse warrior. Inhale. Exhale, bend the front arm. Place it onto your top of your thigh, reaching over here. Exhale, come back into your warrior two. And release the arms to the side. Let's widen our legs again. Make any adjustments here. Place the hands on top of the thighs. Inhale, left shoulder forward and right. On your own breath. Inhale. Exhale. One more time on each side. And gently come back to center. Pivot the back foot flat, facing towards the window or your front. And then bring the right foot this way. Okay? Activate those thighs, that core. Exhale, open up to your warrior two. Breathe, lengthening in opposite directions. Flip your palm, reach up and over, reverse warrior. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, bend the front arm, come to your thigh, and reaching over. Exhale, come back to center. This time bring your legs all the way in. Come back onto your chair if you're kind of slipping off. Inhale, reach the arms up and over. Interlock the hands. Side stretch to the left. Exhale, come back to center. Side stretch to the right. Inhale, release the grip. Exhale, cactus the arms. Inhale. Exhale, cactus the arms. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, vertical twist to the right. Looking over that right shoulder in that direction. Inhale. Exhale, vertical twist to the left. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, bring your hands to your side. Lengthen the left leg, flex the toes, reaching forward. And release the head down. Exhale, slowly roll it up. Reach the arms up and over. Straighten the right leg, flex the toes, reaching forward. Dropping the head. Inhale, slowly rolling up. Reach their arms up and over. Exhale, bring your arms to your side. Come back to center. Bring your shoulders up and back. And forward. And to the side, reach your arms to the side, bring the left under the right, give yourself a nice hug here. Exhale, opposite side, bring the left under the right, give yourself a hug. Release the arms down, fold forward, allow yourself to sway. Slowly rolling up, vertebra by vertebra. Bring your shoulders up and back for one last time. Bringing our hands to heart center, closing your eyes. Take a few breaths here. Thanking yourself for showing up, knowing that every small step counts. We'll close out with one collective inhale through the nose and exhale. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today, and thank you for allowing me to lead you. Peace. Hi, my name is Paris Alexandra, co-founder of BK Yoga Club. Make sure you subscribe to Well+Good, Good Moves, and follow us on Instagram at BK Yoga Club. See you later.